Hi! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to upload a video to YouTube. You can upload videos to YouTube in a few easy steps. Use the instructions from a computer or from mobile device. Uploading may not be available with supervised experience on YouTube. So now I'm using the Android app to upload videos by recording a new video or selecting an existing one. So I'm here already in the YouTube app. Then tap the plus sign to create and upload a video. So just click the upload video. Then select the file you'd like to upload and tap next. You can still edit it before you upload. And you can edit the title and you can put the caption of the short. You can put the visibility if you want it public, unlisted, private. And you can also select audience. And you can put the caption. So just press upload short. So it's already uploading. And just wait for a few seconds to make it uploaded. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!